On BiShvat, we eat fruit. Some of us eat fruit to celebrate the Jewish birthday of fruit. Some of us eat fruit to celebrate the trees and the first buds of spring. Some of us eat fruit to celebrate our connection to Israel. Help us celebrate BiShvat, the birthday of fruit, by creating your own BiShvat game. In order to get started, let's learn about the 7 species of Israel, Shivat Haminim, as we have accustomed to eat them, specifically on BiShvat.
Olives,
Zaitim,
pomegranate,
limon,
grapes,
anavim,
dates,
tmarim,
figs,
te'enim,
wheat and barley,
chita v'seora. Create a BiShvat game about the fruits of Israel and what types of fruits you like best. Include the fruits you would like to eat on BiShvat.
Hi, it's time to create your game. Go to jitap.net or the JITAP app, and then tap on Create on the white plus down here if you're on the app, or if you're on jitap.net on the computer, go right up there to Create.
Look in these 3 creation packs to find BiShvat stickers. Look in the BiShvat Seder pack to find different stickers of fruit.
Use the magnifying glass to search for pictures and clip art.
Make sure to choose one activity per slide. These are the free activities I recommend.
Use soundboards to talk about each fruit and make hotspots just like this one. Make a fruit collage and cut a shape puzzle. Say something records your voice to the slide. To upload your game, add your name and a description, and then set your categories. Have fun making your BiShvat game all about fruit.
Happy BiShvat!